Hello and welcome back. We are doing part 4B preview assignments, and this is for the questions, question 1 through 4. Let's go see and let's go do them. With no further ado. And let's size it. It's always a necessary item to do. Good enough. Okay, let's see. Then we call it probability. Probability of set event A is number of ways A occurs number of ways, and let's change it to number of total events. Let's see, we have 15 balls, 6 are green, 5 are yellow, and 4 are red. Which means what probably we're doing is basically 15 ways something can happen. 15 ways of having events occur. And the question is, if one ball is drawn from the bag, which of the following is true? Okay. Looks like we're looking at green. So let's look at probability. Let's just calculate it. Probability of green is 6 over 15. Probability of yellow is 5 over 15. And probability of red is 4 over 15. Now this reduces down to 3/5, 1/3, and 4/15. So green has 3 in 5 chances, yellow has 1 in 3 chances, and red has 4 in 15 chances. Oops. You're going to do some math here. 6, 2 times 3, 5 times 3, 2 and 5. So let's look at A. There's 1 in 6 chance of drawing a green ball. No. There's a 2 in 5 chance of drawing a green ball. Yes. Each color is equally likely to be drawn. No. So it has to be B. And a little math error, which was found. But note, every one of these probabilities has the same denominator, because there's basically a total of 15 events that can occur, 15 balls to draw from. And then we just looked at the top, well, how many greens are there? There are 6 ways of pulling a green, 5 ways of pulling a yellow, 4 ways of pulling a red. Next question. Okay, only one question. Okay, a ball contains 10 balls. 7 green, 2 yellow, 1 red. If one ball is drawn from the bag, what is the chance of drawing the red ball? And let's keep the colors right. Probability of drawing red, number of red balls, number of total balls. So how many ways can event A occur? Well, that's going to be based on the number of red balls there are. How many total events are there that can occur? Well, that's going to be the total number of balls there are. So let's see, we have 1 red over 10 balls. So we have a 1 in 10 chance. Uh-oh. And yes, we are. Let's see, again we have 10 balls, 3 red, 2 yellow, 5 red. Suppose a green ball is drawn from the bag, complete A through D. Okay, so 1 green ball. Is pulled. So how many balls are left in the bag? Well, we start with 10, took out 1, these are 9 balls left in the bag. How many balls in the bag are green? Again, took out 1, so we started with 3 green, took out a green, so I guess we have 2 greens left. How many balls in the bag are yellow? Let's see, we started with 2 yellow, took out no yellow, so 2 yellows are left. And how many are red? Again, we start with 5 red. Remove no reds, so 5 red left. So again, look how we did this. We pulled out 1 green. So pulling out the green, we dropped the population down by 1, total population of the balls. Reduced the number of greens, did not change the number of yellows, and did not change the number of reds. Because we pulled a green ball out, not a red, not a yellow. Last question. Ooh, nice lucky number. So 13 balls, 3 green, 9 red, 9 yellow, 1 red. 1 green ball is removed from the bag, set aside. Draw a second ball from the bag. What's the probability that it will be red? So this was event 1. Here's event 2. From event 1, 13 balls minus 1 ball gives us 12 balls left. Start with 3 green. Removed 1 green. So we have 2 greens left. Which means I'll still have 9 yellows, and 1 red. This is all from event 1. Now event 2, probability of pulling a red. Well, how many reds do we have? We have 1 red. How many balls do we have? We have 12 balls, not 13 any longer. Which means we should look at having a probability of 1 in 12 chance that a ball is red. And that's correct. And I believe that means we are done. We are done with the questions. So now, after watching this video, go and do the quizzes, these questions yourself. Afterwards, go and work on the worksheet for this section. Basically, workbook. Do the workbook tutorial. And of course, completion of the workbook, submit a copy of it for me to look at, and then your practice assignments. Good luck. Did we do that one? Oh, yes, lead page. Nope, yeah, we're good. We are good.